Hello. So today I'm doing a video on an issue that I have, and I know many others probably do as well, but don't really talk about it because they're embarrassed. The problem that I'm talking about is the ear issue. So if you're like me and you're looking for a solution to kind of feel confident about your ears, or looking for a way not hide them anymore, stay tuned. Continue watching. So, as I talked about, I've always wanted to wear my hair up or in a bun or slick back, but I've never had the confidence to do so. So I never would. I mean, the only time I would is when I was just at home lounging around, but that's because I was the only one here and nobody else would see me, despite my husband and my best friend, basically, who would ever get to see my ears fully exposed, should I say. I came across a solution that I've seen worked for others, and that's what I want to introduce to you. They don't ever hate your ears because it's a blessing to have them. And you know, although we are never satisfied with our appearance, you know, that's what makes us unique. Okay, that's what makes us special, and that's what makes us stand out. I don't hate my ears, I just don't like showing them. I mean, I love my ears, they help me listen. But the product we're about to talk about is called OTO Stick. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this, but this is basically an ear corrector, and what it's supposed to do is help, like for instance, my ears like pop out, and so it's supposed to help stick it back to where it looks more, not presentable, but to where you feel more confident about wearing your hair up or to the side or in a bun. And it's supposed to last, I guess, 3 possibly to 5 days, as long as you don't wet the back of your ear, like when you're taking a shower. I heard that it doesn't hurt, like as far as your ears don't get sore, unless you're supposed to give it like a week break in between, I believe, or a day. Don't quote me, but wanted to give it a try. This would be my first time. I barely received this yesterday or the day before. I had ordered this on Amazon. It was like 18 and some change, just in case you're wondering. But yeah, let's get straight to the point. So it comes in a pack of 8. And it kind of, I don't know how to explain what this looks like, but basically it's these two sides that stick. And I guess you peel this white part, and then I guess you stick it behind your ear, and then after you peel the other side, and then that's the part that sticks on the back. Not back, well, you have one that sticks behind your ear, and then the other one sticks, like, you know, onto your skin back here to keep it folded back. And I guess it's better when you have help to help you do so, but I have a mirror in front of me, and so I'm just gonna try to do it on my own, and we'll see how it works. What I'm doing right now is taking off the stick protector. I think, oh no, scratch that. So what we're supposed to do, I have some napkin right here and some alcohol. You're supposed to actually clean, make sure there's no like oils behind your ear, because that actually cuts the life of the stickiness, which means you won't have it lasting or your ears folded back very long. So you want to make sure you do that. And then remove the sticking protector without trying to stick your fingers on the sticky part, you know, because the more you play with the part that's supposed to attach to your ear, the less it becomes sticky, and then you have a hard time it sticking to your actual back of the ear. People's ears it's just the flappy part, the top part that flaps over, and so therefore you would put this on top, and then you would just stick it, and then they would, you know, kind of fold it back. But my whole entire ear actually sticks out. So let's see how this works. Okay, so, oh, it's already sticking to my ear. It's not even where I want it to be. So let's okay, so I'm gonna stick this probably like right here. No, that's not gonna work. It's, oh my god, you guys. Ow. When I say sticky, This thing is really sticky, kind of scary sticky. I actually put it on the wrong place and I was trying to pull it out and it actually took a good tug. So be very careful. Make sure you know where you're putting it before you actually stick it, just so you know. Okay, so let's try here. I'm gonna try that there. Okay, and then, you know, I'm gonna need to remove all hair if possible. Oh my goodness. So this is, so yeah, it's best if you have somebody to help you. I highly recommend. It does say best with 2 people. Because the way this is working with just me, I am telling you, I don't recommend it. But what am I gonna do? So what I'm gonna do is fold it back. I guess it's on. I guess it's on. So I'm gonna tell you my mistake. I kind of grabbed on too much near the earlobe. You see this little dent? I would have, if I could do it again, I'm gonna have to wait until this wears out now. But if I could, I would actually put it more inwards from the ear. So let's see. I don't know if you can see this. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I want to say I see a difference, minus that I put it out way too much. You know, I would have next time push it more in the ear, so it's not like out right here. I don't know, you let me know what it looks like from your angle. I don't know if you can see it. So again, I'm going to stress to you that it's very sticky, and if you put it in the wrong place and you're trying to remove it, it's scary. That's how sticky it was. I actually thought I was going to pull some of my skin out. I'm not joking. So be very careful. Make sure, good thing you're watching this video because I'm the person you're going to learn from, okay? So good thing that I'm messing up and not you. I'm willing to take the pain for you, okay? So let me put my ear up, okay? So do you see the difference? Because I see the difference, okay? Look at this ear. You see how it's sticking out? Look at this ear. Do you see a difference? Because I can tell you I see a difference, and it's a difference that I actually like. So, I mean, pretty cool. I mean, this is, I've seen reviews on it, but I mean, until you actually have them on yourself, it's like, wow, I'm speaking from proof, you know? I totally see the difference. And I'm liking it. So again, you know, remove the sticker protector. Okay. This time I'm going to try to do it more inward because this part, like I told you, I know I've done it, I stuck it out way too much. So this part I'm going to try. Oh, no. My bad. Let's not forget. The back. And what do you think? Other than I did this one, I think too much out here too. But I mean, for next time, trial and error, you know. And you can say that I'm a guinea pig because I'm letting you know the do's and don'ts. Oh, hold on. This one is something wrong with this. Oh my goodness, I messed this one up, you guys. Look what I did. Look at what I did. So that's why I tell you it's best if you have, oh my goodness, if you have 2 people, because look what I did here. And now I have to take, oh my goodness. Now I have to use another one. You see what I did here? And it's got a piece of my hair. But, excuse the hair. But, you see how these two, instead of sticking to my ear, they actually stuck together. now I have to use another one. So now I'm going to be short one, which is not cool. Let's try this again. Get my alcohol. I use toilet paper because tissue paper or napkins is kind of hard on my skin. So toilet paper is soft. If it's soft enough for your booty, it's not soft enough for your face and body, is what I say. Okay, so here we go again. So I think I have a good idea of where about I want it. Okay. It's crazy. But look at the difference though, you guys. Like really, look at the difference. Look at the difference. Look how this one is how it folds back. Look how this one is still sticking out. I gotta say, not bad at all. So let's try this again. So make sure, here we go again. Make sure all your hair is removed. Oopsie. I think I'm almost doing the same thing I did last time with it. Okay, so this is it, you guys. So I need to learn how to position it and where more likely to put it so where it's not like grabbing onto the outer of my ear, and that's what makes it look obvious that I have something pushing or pulling back a little, or yeah. But I mean, other than that, I think it looks, oh my goodness, I think it looks good. This one, I think I'm having issues again because I think when I take off the sticky part, it doesn't, I'm not doing it properly. Of course, I'm doing it on my own. And if you have somebody that can help you, I would recommend that you do so. Ouch. And it hurts. Like, it kind of hurts me a little bit to remove the sticker. But I can't have this just sitting back there. That's not the way you're supposed to do it. But, so I took it out. So this one's back flapping. This one's back, folded back, like how I would want it to be. Yeah, so let me know what you think. Like I said, it's supposed to last, I think, 3 to 5 days. If you don't wet it longer, you'll have it behind your ear. Yeah, so hopefully I solved an issue that you may be having. I found a solution and I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go and work on my other ears. So till then, stay confident, stay true to yourself, and let me know what you think. Let me know if you see a difference. I know I do. And let me know if you would try it or if you have tried it. Well, I'll see you later. Yours truly, Mari. Bye, you guys. Don't leave yet. Here comes some updates on the auto sticker. Okay, so it's like 8:10 and so I put them on like around 2, 3, 4, 5. So I had them for roughly around 3.5 hours, and still haven't had any issues. Still intact. This one, for some reason, feels a little bit more relaxed. My ear does, than this one. This one feels still a little tight. I'm not sure why. And this one to me looks more natural. And this one kind of looks a little, I don't know, to me, like if it was put maybe not the same as I did this one, because it feels a little bit more tighter, like if it's pulling more than this one is. But yeah, so far so good. We'll see. Good night. Okay, so it's me again. Just wanted to give you an update on the 3rd day. It's still intact. My ears are feeling a little sore. Not crazy, but a little. I know it said not to wet them, but I actually took a shower and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna put it to the test. So I took a shower, washed my hair, conditioned my hair, you know, soaked up the back of my ear just to test it. And they're still intact. Like the first day I put them on, they're still on. My ears are still pinned back. Pretty good, I would say, for the money. Just to let you know. Bye. Like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Leave a comment below suggesting a video you would like to see. Thanks again. Truly yours, Mari G.